Alright, so I guess I'm going to take a break from that other Craftsman one. That other Craftsman chainsaw. Since discovered that one there is burnt up. So anyway, today here we've got this Poulan P3416. And this one here is from 2005. So, well, so first things first, this was off of eBay. Um, Other than it doesn't look to be too bad shape, some scraps, scratches in the plastic there. But overall, the stickers are mostly intact. And it doesn't, it is beat up in certain areas, certain aspects, but that label is surprisingly nice. And it's not all scratched up on the front, on this end anyway. So overall, physically okay shape. Yeah, it is scratched up here and there, but it could be worse. So we're missing fuel cap, missing a starter handle. So I'm hoping maybe this one isn't burnt up, or if it is, well, maybe it is burnt up and it's seized and they broke the handle trying to start it. I don't know. We're gonna find out. So anyway, let's pop this cover off. Still got parts from the other saw in there. Suppose I shouldn't do that. I'll stick them over there in the corner. Should just pop off, I think. Shouldn't it? That didn't sound good. Oh darn. I forgot I'm supposed to take the top cover off. Well, that was smart. Whatever. Why do they do stupid stuff like that? Just one little stupid piece holding it there is all it is. What's in here? Some kind of a bug's nest? Come on. Whoa, what is this? A dead mouse? Oh, we're crying out loud. Dead mouse in there. Oh my goodness. Well, this is an interesting one. I wasn't expecting to find a dead mouse in it. I wonder if the seller even knew about that. The seller sells a bunch of chainsaws on eBay, so they probably didn't know much about it. Yeah, there's like a mouse stuck up in there. You probably can't see it, but somewhere in there. I bet they probably built a nest under here. So since I don't want to get pieces to mouse all over my work table here, I'm going to go over by the door and we'll take it off over there. Alright, now that our dead buddy is gone here, okay, let's pull this off. Why did this stupid place die anyway? Why was it there? Was it cold and it was huddling up to get warm or something? Doesn't make any sense. I mean, after the saw ran or something? Or did it just park there? I don't know. Weird. No! It's burnt up too. Well, this one might be worth fixing though, so not a big loss. Would have been nice if it was not burned up. But I mean, you can get replacement cylinder kits for these for $33 on eBay. So I mean, now the quality on them, I don't know. I'm not sure what the quality on them is. Our rubber boot is cracking. But I do have another saw that I could swap this cylinder with on here. Let's take this cover off, see what's going on here. Looks typical. Which seems to spin freely. That's nice. And it says case was molded in 2005. This was apparently oh, did I say 2006? Yeah, 2005. Yeah. It is 2005, so. Well, okay. So, wonder if they straight gassed it or they just didn't put enough oil in it, or they just cut too long and hard with it. The filter is surprisingly not that dirty. Kind of makes me wonder how many hours are really on this saw. Unless they actually took care of it enough where they cleaned the filter on it. I don't think that's the right socket, but it's working. different screen in the later ones. Oh, the screen is a gasket. Huh. Interesting. Hey, there's no pin rattling around in there. See, there's no hole in the side like that other side did. Guess that's just oil. Interestingly, there's actually oil in there. That's really weird. Can too much oil burn up a saw? I don't know. I find this interesting. Yeah, it's probably, it could have been, I don't think this one's been straight gassed. There's too much oil in there. I would venture to say maybe they just overheated it. I don't know. Scoring's not that bad. You're probably not going to be able to see. The scoring's really surprisingly not that bad. The ring might even be still free. Where's a screwdriver? I can't tell. It looks like the ring might be free. But regardless, it doesn't have any compression. And it is scored, so... Of course, it kind of looks like it might be more scored towards the other side, so maybe it's more scored on the side, I don't know. Anyway, this one here will need to be rebuilt, but this saw, I think, is good enough to repair. I'm not really seeing anything wrong. Still got the studs in it. So, yeah, I mean, I might actually be able to fix this one. Oh, I just realized why this probably looks so clean. Well, I don't know for sure. Anyway, this is 10. That's 2010. This isn't original to the saw. But, I mean, you can't come from a seller that's sold selling a bunch of saws and parts. They could have swapped it, or who knows, it broke and maybe a saw shop replaced it. I don't know, that's interesting. But yeah, it's pointing at the 10, so it's 2000, should be 2010. Well, that's interesting anyway. So here is our possible cylinder swap candidate. Seems to have good compression. I haven't took the muffler off yet to check it, but it honestly feels like it has compression. I don't think it's burnt up, because what's wrong with it is that someone ripped the bar off of it, or they dropped it from a tree or something. I don't know. Regardless, that's what's wrong with the saw. So I'm pretty confident this cylinder is good. Plus, it feels like it has good compression. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cover off. This has got a good rope on it. I'm going to take it off, pop it on the other saw real quick. I want to see, just by hand, see how it feels turning it over. Though I know it's scored, but I'm just curious. So I tested it. Actually feels like it has a little bit of compression. Almost feels like it has enough where it could run. But looking at it, it's definitely scored. So yeah, I mean, I could try running it, but I mean, like I said, it's obviously scored. It probably would run. Probably not very well though. But it's also got a lot of oil in the cylinder too, so that could be sealing up the ring. In fact, more than likely it is. I think I'm just going to disassemble it. So anyway, I think I'm going to head up to the house. Probably call it for the evening. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday, and so probably Friday night I'll tear it down. Might swap the other cylinder on. The other one, I took the muffler off the other side, I looked at it. It looks okay. Looks good. Well, anyway, I'm going to sleep on it. Tomorrow we'll tear it down, I guess. Tear it down and start from there.